The problem is, when I'm trying to catch it, I'm running out of oxygen. I got it! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Before I go buying it, does anyone have a jaw fossil?
Nope.
No.
No,
I want one, but
actually, no, I do not have one. Wow, that's surprising.
I am buying one because I would like Tyrantrum.
I would like one as well.
I will get one for you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you
No
for so
problem.
kind and charitable this day.
Thank you, Squire. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They have 2 netherite ingots here? Should I buy them? It's probably worth it, right?
Fuck, I need a fucking crystal shard. Fuck.
Oh yeah, I never caught Rookity. That was the thing I didn't get yet.
Okay, we'll go like this. I think that's correct. So we head home here. Head on home. Head on home.
Father, when are we going home? I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad.
Oh, that's too late.
Go home, eat mac and cheese.
All right.
You know,
my first
you know,
level
funny
up.
enough, I'm actually eating
Oh,
mac and
no.
cheese.
Lucky bitch.
Oh, Superior learns Draco Meteor by a level up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, normal superior does too.
Does?
No,
No, I think you can learn
He
it
gets
by
Leaf Storm by a level up.
that's what it is.
He gets a different move. I think